Jim Roemer from Weather Wealth, only all commodity weather newsletter in the world. Please go to my website, get a free trial period. Also, Climate Intelligence, my monthly newsletter, coffee, grains, natural gas, all sorts of commodities, helping you make better decisions. Join the hundreds of people around the world, from avocado farmers in Brazil to soybean traders in the Midwest to natural gas producers, and learn how to use weather to invest and get the best long-range outlooks in the world. What's going on in the coffee market? That's what we're talking about right now. What are the factors affecting coffee? Of course, global production, particularly Brazil. Also, frost scares. We had a buy and rumor, sell and fact situation. We'll talk more about that in a minute. The Brazil real, very important. When there's problems in South America, in Brazil, and the Brazil real collapses, that makes coffee prices cheaper in US dollar terms. Of course, demand and COVID worries also a background factor in coffee. And the Northern Hemisphere winter. You got a severely cold winter that increases demand. Boy, oh boy. I got to watch these 6 factors for coffee, as well as 8 other commodities for clients. Not an easy task doing this all by myself. Look at this. This is compliments from Judy Gaines, one of the best soft analysts in the world. Minas Gerais last Friday. Look at the frost. What a beautiful picture. But why did coffee prices not rally? Remember, this is back in the 1970s. Look at all that production in Paraná. That would have resulted, this frost, look at this in Paraná, 30s and upper 20s, and a major spike to 250 in coffee if this would have happened. But Paraná's production, 25 to 35 years ago. Now look at this now, much further north in Minas Gerais. So we had a buy on rumor, sell on fact situation in coffee. This is the way the coffee market looked prior to the frost. Look how it rallied up from about $1.70 to about $2. And then we had a buy and rumor, sell and fact situation. We did fill a gap in coffee early on this week in the charts. That could be a bullish signal, particularly if this drought, where you see the red, continuing in South America, affecting orange juice, affecting sugar, 30% of normal rainfall all throughout Brazil over the last 4 or 5 months. Will that continue? September, October is a critical time for the coffee market. We hope you join us at Weather Wealth, because we will give you some great advice and some longer term strategies in many of these markets in the weeks and months to come. Will there be another cold spell? Look at the negative AO index, Arctic Oscillation Index over Antarctica 2 weeks ago, forcing that blue cold vortex to the northeast there, the upper right of your screen. That created the frost scares. Do we have another one of those coming up? Again, you'll have to stay tuned and subscribe to my newsletter, and I'll give you all the information that you need to make some good trading decisions. Once again, like in 1975, when that coffee area was further south in Paraná, look how coffee prices soared. And to the right of your screen there, we had another leg up in September, October, because of a drought. Not all frost in Brazil by any means is followed by repeat drought performances, but if that happens, coffee will go to 250 or higher later this winter, their summer. Again, I have option strategies for you. I have coffee producers and traders all over the world. How do you take advantage of these rumors and the frost and drought scares, not only in this, but all other commodities? We hope that you join us. Please go to bestweatherinc.com and feel free to sample some of my services. Thank you very much, and have a great rest of your week.